stop right there. If you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. Bye. Right off the bat, I'm sure you're already thinking how bad this video is going to be because I'm recording in vertical mode. Well, you're correct. It is going to be terrible. So first, I'm going to go in with Boss Angela's from the Jeffree Star palette on my eyes. Yeah, that's what I did. Then I decided to go in with this yellow color from this other Morphe palette and put it on my inner corner. Yeah, it looks like a sunset. I actually really like this. I'm sorry that this is such a bad recording. I don't have any professional camera set up, no cameramen, you know, nobody helping me. I'm doing this all alone, so please just bear with me. So now I'm going to go into the Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe. This palette is amazing. They call it like the Hot Cheeto palette or whatever they told me. But there's this metallic orange in there. And I ended up patting that all over my lid. And yeah, I thought it looked really pretty. I made it look like I did it with a brush. But honestly, I went in there with my finger because the brush was not working. I don't know how to work a damn brush, okay? Yep, sorry about that. Yeah, so here's what it looks like. All the oranges are on, and now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful green combo in here. It's like a metallic green and a matte green, and I'm gonna put it on my inner corner. This took some finessing at first, like, let me tell you. What the fuck? So this is when I realized that I did something really wrong. We're gonna take it back a notch because I was trying to film a cute little makeup video and then I decided to put liner in my waterline. Don't do that.
My mom is really concerned about her mom, really concerned about her mom right now because Jay and she has her weak moments.
I basically really fucked up this look. Let's just say that. I'm actually really embarrassed. So this is the final look. It really all went downhill when I put the NYX Vivid Lights in my Vivid Brights. I'm sorry, the Vivid Brights in my waterline. Yeah, I have like I'm just a mess. Just look at this liner. I just started like learning how to do liner actually because I used to never do it. But this is what it looks like. So yeah, I drew some brows on, hoping that it would make it look better. Bitch, you thought. I don't think it did. Should I do the rest of my face? Is it even worth doing the rest of my face at this point? Like, I don't know. And this is exactly why I do my face first, because how do you blend your foundation in right there? Like what? What do I do? Okay, I figured it out. I just took this and like went up in there and just like blended it in really very carefully. I definitely don't think I will ever do my makeup like this again though, because like it's really hard. If you know me, I love blush. I always go really heavy-handed on blush. I like to look like I'm sunburnt. All right, so my blush is applied. All right, so it's blended out. This is actually
not enough for me.
So I'm gonna go in with my powder and I'm gonna brush on some more powder with my favorite brush. And so I am back and I'm gonna use this Morphe blush palette. I'm gonna go in with Provocative. All right, see, that is much better. See, I just like it very intense. It's not even that intense, to be honest. But yeah, I went in with Provocative and Beat, and I just kind of added it because it kind of gives it like, oh, it looks like sun-kissed to me. And it almost gives me like sort of a bronze too, since I am very pale. I don't know, it just works so well. I even do this like literally on days when I'm not wearing any like eye makeup or anything. I just do my brows and then I like put a bunch of blush on. But yeah, I just think it looks good when I do that. Sometimes I go up here above the brow bone as well, just to add it in there, so it's not so like right there. And then I always go on the nose as well, just because I like to look like I've been laying in the sun for way too long. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with my Bare Minerals bronzer and bronzer. At this point, I don't even know why I am like acting like I'm some beauty guru giving like a tutorial on how to do makeup when I haven't showed you like any part of me actually doing my makeup. So here I am pretending I'm actually doing it, but I'm really not. I did it in between clips. Here's me pretending that I'm hot and sexy, blah, 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 talking about more non-important stuff. So just bear with me. Yeah, I continued to do this, and then I continued to talk, and then look at myself, and then make myself feel bad about myself. So yeah, this is the finished look basically. Anyways, I'm gonna add some highlighter here in a minute so you guys can just click off the video and leave, so you can just, you know, go to bed and have a nice night. You know. I'm gonna go in probably with the gold shade, and then I'll probably put that one on top. Highlighter is on. I did a pretty bad job. But it's cute. I think it's great. Oh. Okay. All right, so I ended up just putting the cream blush on my lips, actually. Yeah, it's a little overlined, whatever I came up with. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Thanks for watching.